This video is aimed at teardrop owners or anyone looking at camp rigs suitable for off-road use. The Meaner bean, manufactured by Bean Trailer of Utah, is featured here, so some of the content is specific to their line of teardrop trailers. Although some things here cost nothing, we are not trying to do things cheap. After 40 years of tent camping, we retired and started camping more often and year-round. It was time to improve our shelter. Common trailers, truck campers, motorhomes, and vans are too massive and not suitable for the type of terrain and primitive routes that we frequently drive on. We ruled out all forms of tents, including rooftop tents and tent trailers, because we are tired of dealing with poor insulation, lack of security, setting up in stormy weather, dealing with wet fabric, mold, and mildew. Plus, we hated the thought of having a rooftop tent hog our rack and having to fold it up every time we moved our rig. We were really excited to discover the off-road teardrop design. The hard shell provides long-term durability, security, insulation, and there's no problem with setting up in heavy weather. The teardrop can be disconnected and left as a base camp or temporarily parked for scouting sketchy routes or during city touring. Plus, we can keep it packed and ready to go. We compared all kinds of teardrops and chose the Meaner by Bean Trailer. Bean builds 5 teardrop models. 3 of these models are designed for off-road use. Each Bean teardrop is made to order with a variety of options available. Unique to all Bean teardrops is the one-piece solid fiberglass shell that covers a composite floor and 5-foot-tall composite walls. This is a major upgrade to common plywood construction. We love the design, features, and capability of the Meaner Bean teardrop. It can follow our Land Rover darn near anywhere. Some people ask, where's the bathroom? I've done plenty of backpacking and spent over 30 years working in the wildfire and law departments of the U.S. Forest Service. We have tent camped for decades. The lack of indoor plumbing is nothing new to us. That said, it's really nice having the teardrop's water system and outdoor shower. The off-road teardrop design is perfect for our style of camping. We really appreciate the advantages and built-in amenities. We can stay longer in more remote areas while being much more comfortable and self-sufficient.
So the first time we went off-roading, the stove got bounced around and the grill popped out, and it got stuck in a position like that with the drawer closed. So we couldn't get the drawer open, and I had to just do all kinds of jiggling in order to bounce things back into place. And eventually the spring plate rides over the back part of the grill here and prevents this from lifting up. Especially the mosquitoes could come through a spot like this. I just installed a simple screen and a magnet that slips in and seals that access off.